Let's talk through assets which are not taxable.
Yeah, please.
This is really important. So people don't need to worry. It's not all money that's transferred into Thailand. It's only certain types.
Okay.
So let's go through the assets which are not assessable income now. So if you have cash in the bank from previous tax years.
Right.
Shall I explain what that means?
Yeah, please. Okay. The more you can explain it, the better for everybody, really.
Okay. So November 2023,
yes,
there was an announcement from the Revenue Department that cash in the bank as of the 31st of December 2023 can be brought into Thailand anytime in the future. This is not assessable income. So if you had cash balances as of the end of 2023, this money can be remitted, transferred into Thailand, or spent on an ATM card without that being classed as assessable income. That's really important for people. Also, if they receive an inheritance overseas, so if they receive an inheritance, that is not taxable. It's not assessable income. If it's local domestic inheritance, then there's inheritance tax rules here. But if it's overseas and it's brought in, that's inheritance. That's not taxable. If you've got assets like Social Security, which are exempt on the double taxation agreement, that's not assessable income as well. If you bring in investments and you sell an investment and it's not made any money, it's lost money, then you're only bringing in capital, not gains. That's not assessable income. Let's say you sell a property. And you sell it for less than you bought it for. You can bring that in. That's not assessable income. So it's only on pensions. Depending if it's not on the double taxation agreement. Investment capital gains. If that's brought in, maybe you can use tax credits depending on the double taxation agreement. Property rental income. If you've got a property overseas and you receive it income, you can bring that into Thailand. That's assessable income. You might be able to offset tax paid in another jurisdiction. Dividends, if you receive dividends overseas and you bring that in, that's assessable income. So there's quite a lot of different assets. If you've got crypto gains.
Well, I was going to ask you about that in a moment.
Yeah.
Unreal. Right. You're taking my breath away, you know.